Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly wash catfish at home. When I say properly wash, I mean sparkling clean, like I mean hygienically clean. If you know what I mean. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you for returning. Please subscribe before leaving and give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, I'm going to be starting off with a method I haven't tried before. I have been hearing of this, but today I want to give it a try. This injury is what they did to this fish in the market. Yes, they used machete to, cut it to kill it, I meant to say. Okay, without much talking, I'm going to be using alum for the first method. Guys, I've been hearing this and I want to give it a try. Okay, so let's do. I just went ahead to scrub the body of the fish with this alum. I scrubbed severally for a few minutes. It wasn't really working. This fish is very slimy, and I threw away the water. I was becoming impatient. So guys, I had to switch to the method I'm actually used to, the trusted method I've been using over the years, and this works like magic. Welcome back. So go ahead and throw in your hot water into your bowl containing the fish. One of the things this thing does to the fish is to stiffen it up. Once you throw in the hot water, you're going to notice that it will stiffen the catfish and the slime starts peeling off almost immediately. This works like magic. I'm not going to be talking much in this video. I'm going to allow you to enjoy the rest of the video because it is self-explanatory, but do make sure you watch till the end because it doesn't stop at just removing the slime. After removing the slime, I will also disinfect the fish, the guts and cuts. So enjoy the video, and please, before you leave, give this video a thumbs up. And if it's your first time and you haven't subscribed, please endeavor to do so. I love you all. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I would also love to see you in the comment section. Enjoy the rest of the video.